Welcome back. What we going to do today? We're gonna slam this bad mofo. She's a 1990 Chevy 1500 two-wheel drive, straight from Georgia. We're gonna do the 5.7 lowering kit we got from eBay. It was like $700 or $800, and we're gonna see how low she goes. All right, welcome back. We finally got the truck lowered. It took me, I'd say, 8 hours. I had a heck of a time. If you're a mechanic out there, please don't screw your other mechanics over. We had an issue getting one of the lug nuts off the front. It was insanely hard. I couldn't even get like the shallow, thin walled sockets in there. I don't even know how they got the lug nut on. So we had to weld one of them, a nut to one of them, and I had to actually air chisel one off because I couldn't even get the welder into the spot. So if you're a mechanic, don't screw your other mechanics over. That's all I'm trying to say. But she looks good. I did have some issues. Kit actually says that you can't use it if it has like 1.5 inch. It has to have 1.5 inch brakes. Well, this must be what they're talking about. So the caliper really didn't line up on the holes here. But this also, the inner wheel bearing actually had a smaller diameter on my truck than this one, so it wouldn't go over it. So I couldn't even get a race to put in that. So I just put everything back together. It was a 5.7 kit. I also did not put the notch in a frame. I don't think I really need to do it. Without further ado, here she is. Beautiful. This is how these trucks are meant to come from the factory, I'm telling you right now. So right now, all I have in the front is lowering springs and the shocks. The back, it actually came with Beltec, and if you can see it. Yeah, so she's sitting pretty, I think. I'm gonna get her a little further back here. I think she's got a perfect stance. Looks like the gap's even. They're only 18-inch wheels. They're Riddlers. It's a boy's truck, so he wants to change them out. I tried talking to him in May 20s. We'll see how she goes. He wants to paint it too. It's got really cool patina because she came from Georgia. He's singing about a dark blue and a white two-tone, but she's sitting really pretty. Wanted one of these trucks ever since I was a kid. I remember going to the junkyard with one, and it was a 5-speed, and it was one of the 454 SS's and my buddy. Oh man, we had some good times. It was fun. But she does wicked burnouts, and she's cool as heck now. But yeah, so don't screw your other mechanic over. All right, if you're doing a job, try to do it and fix it properly. It doesn't make any sense. All right, hope you liked the video. Catch you later.
Hold on.